Ray Allen and Kobe Bryant. LeBron James. LeBron James. Ray Allen. Ray Allen and Kobe Bryant. Ray Allen and Kobe Bryant. LeBron James. Michael. Ray Allen. Ray Allen. Masikat pa si Nor John, no? Ang ganda! Sikat ka masyado.
Ganyan mo.
Siloso.
Kobe Bryant.
Huwag ka rito lang. Ay, pasikat ka siya.
Sexy daw.
Volante man. Tony Sufyan. Hey, what's up? Tony Sufyan.
Kabaliw.
Tony Sufyan, ako ang MVP.
Shaqib Bunil. Tahimik lagi.
Because the Shaqib Bunil. Shaqib Bunil. Shaqib Bunil. Shaqib Bunil. Shaqib Bunil. Shaqib Bunil. Laki ng ulo. Pilaki ang ulo. Maliit ang ulo. LeBron James, parang bukal.
Resign na ako sa basketball. Mag-baseball na ako.
Hindi ka marunong. Hindi ka marunong mag-basketball. Ito ang ginagawa ni Ray Allen. At ito po siya sa totoong buhay. At tingnan mo ang na-drawing ni Ray Allen. Gawa sa kamay, hindi galing sa computer. Well, what's the name of your character?
That's
Ray Allen?
That's James.
James, like this? Like before?
James Poseidon.
James Poseidon. Ito ang sungay niya. Ito ang buhok.
This is the helmet. This is the helmet.
Why? Sige na, pronounce.
Baseball.
Michael Jordan. Anong comment mo, Michael Jordan?
No comment.
Where is the Mark Gasol? Mark Gasol? Mark Gasol. Mark Gasol. You know your name is Mark Gasol in the NBA history. Manu Ginobili. Manu Ginobili. Shaqib Bunil. Muspear Chalmers. Si Muspear Chalmers. And Miller. Manu Ginobili. Michael Jordan. Kobe Bryant. Shaqib Bunil. LeBron James. And Tony Sufyan. Tim Duncan. Si Tim Duncan. Anong din dinadrawing ni Tim Duncan? Oh, buhok pa lang nakita. Ito ang mukha ni Tim Duncan sa totoong buhay. Oh, Stephen Curry. Stephen Curry. Ito ang libro niya. English. Ay, isipin ka. Stephen Curry. LeBron James. This is the fan of Miami. The fan of Miami. Para mga bobo. Sige, ayun. The fan of Miami. Oh. Ito ang mga fans ng LeBron James. Husband of LeBron James.
Sabi mo yun, oh, cheerleaders.
What's your name? And you, what's your name? And what's your name? Tika lang. What's your name? What's your name? Hey, you, Mark Gasol, the tallest one. Mark Gasol. Oh, papunta na tayo sa ibang saint. Tawagin po natin si Dwight Howard. Sa kabilang. Stephen Curry. May si Stephen Curry. Dwight Allen. Oh, this is the Ray Allen. Pagbasta niyo po ang Alvin, alisin niyo lang R, maging Ray Allen. Ito, parang Ray Allen. Ito po si LeBron James. Nakikita niyo po sa gitna. James ang pangalan. LeBron James. Stephen Curry. Alisin mo lang Ian. And kikita niyo ang Stephen Curry. This is my advisor, Tim Duncan. Teacher Hazel, Tim Duncan. The biggest in the classroom. Wala yan. Grade 6. Ate Danica. The husband of LeBron James. Asawa niya to si Steve Nash. LeBron James. Ito po ngayon ang CR. Dito po tayo nag-create. Mag-iyo ko! Kikita niyo po si LeBron James. Nag-ihi si LeBron James. Ito po ang electric fan sa taas. Ang ilaw. Dito po ang tae. Hard for you. Still the time. LeBron James. Carmelo Anthony. Dito si Michael Jordan. What's your commentary, Parker? You lose in the finals championship. Manu Ginobili was very bad. Because how many turnover Manu Ginobili? 14. This guy, Manu Ginobili, the bad boy. Mark Gasol. Why was Memphis 0 in San Antonio Spurs? Your team is so ugly. Kobe Bryant. Kalbo. Kobe Bryant, kalbo. Hey you man, what's up? Fuck you ang iyong kamay. This is may-ari ng cellphone mo. Ayan. The fan of Miami. Big 3 of Miami. LeBron James. Fish Bash. Dwayne Wade. Ay, ito pala si Kobe Bryant. Kobe. Ito si Ate Danica. James. Chris Bosh. Winners, Chris Bosh and LeBron James. The big three of Miami. And one only Kobe. Kobe kasi may kill eh. Si Dwight Allen.
Sino pinakamalaki?
Dwight Allen man, hindi ba si Dwight Howard? Okay, maglabas na tayo. Manu Ginobili, Shaquille O'Neal. Manu Ginobili, Shaquille O'Neal. Okay, huwag ka na magpasok. Okay. Okay, sukyan mo. Wag. Ayun, Shaquille O'Neal. This is the soccer team, the NBA All-Star. Tony Sufyan. Tony. Oh, hey you, Tony. Hey you, Tony, what's up? Ray Allen, the skill of Manu Ginobili. Ay, no. This is the first skill of Hot Wheels. First skill, second skill, third skill. And this is sound of Ray Allen. Three-pointer. This is the TV. Saan namin napapanood ang NBA Finals.
Tanga, dapat dyan kami nagalaro.
Dito po, pwede rin dito maglaro ng video and manood ng sine.
Boto.
Ngayon,
Paano pianis?
cheerleaders. Oh, big tree. Big tree.
Uy, kamay mo!
Dwayne Wade, LeBron James, Chris Bosh. Chris Bosh and Kobe Bryant. Kobe Bryant.
Sumaya, di ba? Mabilis ka magtakbo.
Yan si Serena.
Si Dwayne Wade, si Sumaya.
Ano si Boss?
Kasya rin si Kobe Bryant. Hello, the wife of Kobe. My shoes is Spicer. This is the bands of Michael Jordan. Reebok and Forbes. This is the Great Two Shoes. Ray Allen. Oh, shoes. Shaquille O'Neal shoot.
Dwayne Wade, the middle. Sumaya.
The Dwayne Wade middle Sumaya. And the kanan is LeBron James.
Mika Lebron.
LeBron James is playing. Gago 30 minutes now. Playing ayun.